Okay, in your opinion today, how would you sum up the game?
I think it was a missed opportunity for us, just with that regards the whole game. Obviously, we're pleased to get a point from the game. We've been 1-0 down for so long, but from our point of view, we missed the chance to go top. So it's very frustrating. And I've said to the lads in there that you can't expect to come to places, and for teams to roll over. You got to earn the right, first of all, to play. You got to earn the right to get the ball into their box. You got to earn the right to be here. If you don't give them that respect, then you go 1-0 down and you're chasing the game for a long time. That's the negative side. From the positive side, I was pleased with our last 20 minutes, even though they could have caught us a couple of times with a break. We accept that. You have to accept it. But they're saying in there that the goals that we scored shouldn't have been disallowed. So I don't know. I've not seen that, but just a missed opportunity.
It's disappointing to concede from a set piece, really, as well.
Yeah,
corner.
Look, again, you've got to learn from, not just this season, last season as well, about how teams are going to play.
Yeah.
That I shouldn't have to say that every game that we prepare for, that should be ingrained into this league. So with some of the teams that we play, so and that's you have to deal with that. You have to accept that. So the quicker we learn, the quicker we can potentially get more points.
I feel once we got the ball down and played, we caused them a few problems in that first half.
Yeah, I mean they were they sat in as you do when you looking after a 1-0 at home, and we got more space, we got more opportunities to get the ball into the box. Like I said, I think they could have caught us on the break a few times, but you have to break them down. It's one of those. We complain amongst ourselves that teams don't come out against us.
Yeah.
The last 3 games, teams have come out against us in the first 20 minutes and caused us a few problems. So that's what we've been working on. So we have to accept it. You have to adapt in games at times, and that's what we've been lacking a bit.
We've got another side in Brickfield that play on a pitch like this today. So are you expecting a similar setup from them?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, when Airbus come away to any team, we expect a hard fought game. Like I say, we have to accept that it's going to be hard and difficult, and no one's going to give you nothing. We don't expect anything or shouldn't expect anything.
Yeah.
You have to earn it.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.